Hello everyone, welcome to geekermag. Starting May 2025, Skype will no longer be available. Microsoft recommends users transition to Microsoft Teams, which will serve as its replacement. I have already covered a detailed video on what will happen to Skype credits and similar popular questions, so if you want, you can check it. Now let's come to the topic on which this video is based: how to migrate Skype contacts and chats to Teams. Well, Microsoft is working on providing an option using which you can easily migrate to Teams just by making few clicks. And the process will look like this as demonstrated by them. The option will also allow users to export Skype data if they don't want to switch to Teams. Well, this option is not ready yet, as in the Skype for Web, the company is showing a message that is, you will be notified when you can move your chats and contacts to Teams. It's possible that you will see the dialog box like I have shown few seconds ago. In case you don't want to wait for the option to appear, then here is how you can migrate chats and contacts to Teams right now. First of all, you need to head over to Teams download page and download the setup file and install it. Once installation completes, log in using same Microsoft account that you used in Skype and want data to transfer. When you do it for the first time, you will see the welcome screen. This is how it looks like. Just click continue. As I have told you, the migration option is not ready yet, so you won't see any data transfer. Now what you need to do is click on three dots icon available on the upper right corner and select Teams Insider Program. Here click on the join button and in this dialog box, click restart button. Doing this will relaunch the Teams. Now that you have joined Insider Program, you will get access to latest updates quickly. After Teams restart, you will see this dialog box. Skype and Teams are coming together. All your Skype messages and contacts are in Teams. Click continue. Next, choose your Skype account and confirm your name and last name and click continue. At last, you will reach Teams home screen where you will find that Skype chats and contacts are synced. Even if you send any message using Teams to someone, it will appear in the Skype as well, as you can see here. And if you are using Skype in Mac, the migration process is same. That's all for this video. I hope this helps. And if you find this video useful in any way, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel to get notifications about more similar videos.
Thanks for watching.